couldn't seem to fall asleep. And there was so much on my mind, searching for that peace, but the peace I could not find. So then I kneeled down to pray, praying, help me please. And he said, you don't have to cry, 'cause I'll supply all your needs. Soon as I stopped worrying how the story ends, I